Hey guys, I am Matt with Matt Wayne Adventures, and sorry I haven't put up a video in a while. Things have been kind of crazy here at the home front. We have been trying to sell these puppies that we have. We have Siberian and Husky puppies. We've been dealing with that, and always at the spring of the year, my work gets kind of busy, so kind of hard to find time to get out and do things. But the weather is getting better, thank goodness. I'm sick of cold weather. But anyway, we just got back from church, and it was about we thought, let's just go on a picnic. It's about 70 degrees, sunny, and Emery was up for it, so let's go on a picnic. So we're loading up now, and we're going to take you along with us. I'll see you in a minute. So, got Sierra here in the driver's seat. I'm riding. Feels unnormal, but I'm riding. Got to film, I guess. But Emery back there, and look who else we got. Look at him. Look at the puppy. That is Rowan. He's really coming around on trying to go places. I think y'all seen him before in a video before this. And I'm working with him, trying to get him to go places with us. And this is the fourth time I think he's been somewhere. So we're still working on it, but he's getting there. What, Emmy?
I was trying to catch my mom.
Okay. Oh boy. Oh, where's the buddy rolling? How am I getting seasick? It's a floating dock, and I'm telling you, it's floating, buddy. Whew. Rowan's a little bit ambitious today, but it's mainly because I didn't let him out before we came here. He just went straight from his pen where he stays to here on a leash. So if you know a Husky, they like to run, and they like to run a lot. Like that's their favorite thing to do. But anyway, he's doing pretty good. Out of 1 to 10, I'd give him 7. Oh, 6. You about tripped me. But anyway, no, he's doing good. He's doing great. But down in the lake, he don't like water though. He's not a water dog. I swear, every time I sit down, that's where he likes to go. Every time. It's okay. The beach is by far my favorite place to go to. Myrtle Beach probably. I know it's getting kind of rough there, but Myrtle Beach is my favorite place to go. And this here, we are actually at Lake Bowen recreational area, and Boiling Springs, South Carolina. And this is probably the closest place I can think of that matches the beach, because you got like a little shore, you know, put your boat in. It's kind of like another happy place of mine. But yeah, we are at Lake Bowen Landing in Boiling Springs, South Carolina, if you're interested. And actually, my little girl, my wife, she's up there playing on the playground. And I was like, you know, we're not gonna film on the playground, not with kids. But so we walked over here and we're watching the boats come in. It's interesting. It's very interesting. I used to have a boat myself a couple years ago, and it's just fun to watch them launch and load up and stuff. It's also a very busy place. This is also the first weekend that we've had that it's been like pretty weather. Right now it's like 7 degrees and sunny. Probably blinding you all, I'm sorry about that. But anyway, this is probably the sunniest weekend we've had so far. And it is crowded. I mean, already it's crowded. So, something to keep in mind.